In this video, I'm going to show you how to set SL and TP, or stop loss and take profit, or MT4 mobile. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to simply open the order window. So I'm going to go to quotes, bottom left, and then here I'm going to just tap on something random, and I'm going to tap on new order. Now in here, of course, we all know up top you have the order type. You can select whatever you want. Then you have the quantity, and then just below your quantity, you can see there's like two different brackets. The first one, which is kind of red-ish, is basically the stop loss. Okay, so if I go and tap on the minus or plus button at the bottom, as you can see on the chart, it's going to say SL, and it's going to move according to what I'm doing over here, tapping the minus or the plus button. Now of course you could go and set this yourself as well, so I can go and do it like this, for example. There we go, and it's going to get set automatically. But of course you can just use the plus and minus to actually go step by step. Now to the right on the green area, you have the take profit, so we can tap on the plus or minus, and you'll be able to see that there we go at the bottom, it's the take profit, it says TP, and I can go and place it wherever you want it to be. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Of course you could tap on the plus or minus, or just use your keyboard at the bottom and type in the number that you want, and then place your SL and TP that way on MT4 mobile. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.